Maya and the Magical Words, a short moral story. Once upon a time in a quiet village, lived a curious girl named Maya. She loved stories and believed that words held special power. One day, while exploring the forest, she found a glowing book resting on a rock. On the first page were 3 words: please, thank you, and sorry. As she whispered them, the forest sparkled, and a gentle voice said, "These are the magic words. Use them well." Excited, Maya began using the words every day. When she said please, doors opened for her, literally and figuratively. When she said thank you, flowers bloomed wherever she walked. And when she said sorry, angry hearts softened like butter in the sun. Soon, the whole village noticed the change. Maya taught everyone the magic words, and the village became the kindest place in the land. One day, she returned the book to the forest. The voice whispered again, "True magic lies in respect and kindness." From then on, Maya needed no magic book, because the real magic was in her heart and words. Moral: kind words like please, thank you, and sorry may seem small, but they carry great power to bring kindness and change the world. Thanks for watching.